Hi everyone, my name is Franco Cristiano and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this delicious seafood risotto from Marina Del Rey kitchen. So our seafood risotto comes from Italy, which means that the quality is excellent, and one of my favorite parts about making these meals is the convenience. This entire meal took less than 15 minutes to make, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first I turn on my skillet to medium-high heat and add 50 milliliters of water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And the last step in the cooking process is just to simply open up the bag of the Marina Del Rey seafood risotto and add it into the pan. I stir it around the pan to ensure it cooks evenly, and we're going to cover this with the lid for 6 minutes. Be sure to stir occasionally throughout the entire cooking process, and after 6 minutes we're going to remove the lid and cook the rest of the risotto. I'm very happy to share that all of the seafood components that we use is sustainable. After this is finished cooking, you can begin to plate it. This will serve 2 mains or 4 appetizers. This is truly delicious, and it's something that you must try for yourselves to understand why I'm so excited to be talking about this. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about the meals.